Hello, friends. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Friends, there is a certain channeling that came, and I do want to relate to all of you. It may resonate in different ways in your personal journey. This is about the divine masculine. When he was born in this lifetime, and as he grew up, there was one idea in his mind, or one thought or belief in his mind all the time. And you would ask me, what was that belief? Folks, that belief that he was born with, or he somehow internalized from his external environment and whatever was going on in his life from childhood to teenage to adult life, is that the woman that he wants, or the kind of woman he has in his mind, does not exist. Yes, this is his belief. He feels that the kind of qualities and such a high level, high profile opposite gender partner that he is looking for, or he wants, or has in his mind does not exist. And similarly, in many divine feminines, also, you have had this belief in some point in your life. Somewhere or the other, you have felt this, either in teenage or in adulthood or in childhood, that the kind of man that I want or the kind of qualities that I'm looking for do not exist. Let me explain further. Now, at any point in your life, both the divine masculine and divine feminine has thought these thoughts or has had these beliefs. Now, why so? Both the divine masculine and divine feminine reflect each other on this matter. Both have very lofty goals or very high goals regarding their partner's qualities. Obviously, you do want somebody who's handsome or beautiful externally. That is a general perception, not just a twin flame perception. But you both, I'm going to talk about divine masculine first. He has always thought his partner will be very high profile, she will be very truthful, honest, she will be super loving, caring, just like having a motherly figure, in the form of a wife or a girlfriend. She will be super caring, super loving, and she will be very giving, she will, on top of all that, she will be very honest, truthful, and a lot of good qualities, lot of personal qualities also. Her skin will be silky smooth, her hair will be very silky, she will be this, that, and if there ever comes a time when the family is in difficulty or he is in difficulty or there are hard times, she will always stand by me, and she will be a superwoman, superwoman. All, she will be positive in everything. He's never thought that there will be some negative traits or some negative qualities, or she will be very talkative, or she will be very messy. She could wear the same clothes 2 days. These things are very normal and common in people. These particular negative traits, everybody has them. A divine masculine, on the other hand, you thought the divine masculine obviously is going to be very handsome. He has like hazel eyes or brown eyes, and you can see the sea in his eyes, and he'll have a really good hairstyle. He'll be very well groomed, and he'll support you in everything in life. He'll be very honest, truthful, and he will always be a go-getter, very ambitious, a good career, and on the other hand, he will be a very loving and caring husband, very supportive, and he'll help you with all the household stuff as well, so you had this perception. Nobody thinks about this fact that he could have a messy closet, he could have a messy hairstyle, he could not want to go to the barber shop for quite some time. So these things you never thought, or these negative traits, that he could be weak, when the time comes to actually help you or support you in something big or in some hard times. Let's say one of your parents falls sick and you are the one to do everything. Obviously they are your parents, but obviously you also want support of your partner emotionally, if not physically, but he will not be there, so you have never thought about these things, that these are normal human traits. And besides being twin flames, you are also 3D human beings, and the partner could be a mixed bag, similarly he has also never thought that, both of you, the divine masculine and divine feminine, have had lofty goals. That is why a average human being or a average female or male, they find partners sooner than twin flames do, they settle sooner, that is why we use the word for them, settle. They don't see perfection, they don't seek perfection. They know that human beings are flawed, and whatever is there, they live in the 3D reality, whereas the twin flame journey is a spiritual journey, and it is not a journey of the 3D reality. It is first manifested in 5D, all the work that you do, inner work, is in 5D. All the connection that you have with the masculine in separation is in 5D. Otherwise also, when you are connected in 3D as a couple, or you're dating, or you're friend zoned and you're meeting, or you whatever the case with you is, even in 3D you're maintaining a 5D relationship in the form of dreams, signs, synchronicities. So these two twin flames, they always had lofty goals. Now let's come to the particular point of the channeling. You guys always had lofty goals and very high standards of a partner, and that is why, because these high standards were there, you had, or both of you also shared this belief that this is not possible, such a person is not possible, and you don't know where this belief came from. It was just in your head as you grew up, or as you reached teenage, and then it started getting confirmed by your failed relationships on both sides. You would choose a girlfriend, he would choose a girlfriend, you would choose a boyfriend, or some connection used to happen in your life, and then after 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, it used to fall flat, because you used to obviously see the defaults in a person, the negative things in a person, and you would think to yourself, this is not the one for me, he's this, he's that, or she's not the one for me, or something used to happen. Now this never used to happen, because the connection between you could not survive, or connection between you could not be taken to marriage. Actually both of you never wanted to take it to marriage, because of your core beliefs. Now core beliefs can be so subconscious that you can't actually know that they are there, you just live with them day in and day out without realizing that those are your beliefs, until you meet somebody who you're ready to listen to, and they point out that thing, and they are themselves highly spiritual. This video could be the first place that you're listening to this, that you have this core belief that you want a perfect partner, and your twin flame to you seems like a perfect partner. You always put him on the pedestal, or he always puts you on the pedestal. But on the other hand, they also know that you are a very worthy woman, and you also know he's a very worthy man. He has a lot of qualities, a lot more qualities than the people you have already been with, and he knows the same, that you have some specific traits and qualities, and you are better than the rest of the lot. They know that, and they also know about the connection that you share, the spiritual connection and the special bond that you share. But both of you also have the belief from quite some long time that the kind of partner that you're seeking is not present. Even though you have a lot of love for your twin flame, he does and you do too, but still you have this belief. Try to understand what I'm saying. The love is there in 3D, 5D, but also the belief is there in 5D or 10D or 9D, and the belief is very strong. So for divine feminine, I'm going to kind of end it here. I'm going to continue with the divine masculine. Now, when the divine masculine has this belief that the kind of partner that he wants is not present in this world, because he knows that he has lofty goals. On the other hand, he also knows that you are the twin flame, but he cannot accept that the qualities that you have are equivalent to the partner that he has in his mind from childhood. Now try to understand and listen very carefully. I will say it again. he is till now, even if you are on the journey for 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, 7 years, 8 years, whatever, he has been unable to accept that this partner or you or the twin flame, whatever you want to call yourself, is a match to the person he has in his mind. He still cannot believe that you exist. He feels you are too good to be true. Now, why is this important and why am I telling you this? Because that is one reason he has not been able to take the journey forward. He is still stuck. You are still not in union. Besides the inner work, this is one belief or subconscious pattern that he holds. Inner work is obviously there in between you. Patterns, obstacles, templates, which I've always explained to you in educational videos. But besides that, his own subconscious, which prevents him from uniting with you, is that he cannot accept yet that you are the same person and you hold all those wonderful qualities and you're such a beautiful, wonderful woman. It is very difficult for him because till now his belief, his subconscious that he held, that that woman does not exist, has been confirmed by other females. Whenever he used to connect with a female or a karmic partner, when he started the twin flame journey, or a female before he started the twin flame journey in high school, in teenage years, whatever the case, all those 10 to 15 women he has had in his life, or 2 to 3 women or 4 women, whatever your case is, they have confirmed the fact that they are not good enough. So he feels and believes and accepts that no woman is good enough, or no woman matches the qualities that he has in mind, the qualities that he wants in his wife. So when you come with all those qualities, it is so difficult for him to accept. Yes, it may seem like a small factor to you, but he is struggling with the acceptance. Till the time that you don't accept something, you don't make it into your common and daily life. If I say that I hate coffee, coffee can never be equivalent to tea. I will never bring coffee into my daily life. I will keep drinking tea, and it is such a small fact. Similarly, for him, he is unable to accept that you, the wonderful, he knows that you are a wonderful woman with all those qualities, but he cannot accept that that is for real. He cannot accept that, coffee can be equivalent to tea. Till now, he's had tea with all those females. You are the coffee. But he believes that you cannot be, like I said, until he accepts, he cannot make you come into his daily life, because acceptance and flow is necessary. He is still in resistance. He is still resisting the fact that such a person can exist. He is not accepting that fact. That itself is enough to stall him, to stagnate him. So till he accepts, and now the big question that you will ask me, ma'am, when will he accept? It is going to take him some time. I am getting 7 to 8 months. 7 to 8 months of internal thoughts, internal battles, internal warfare is going to happen in his mind. He is finally going to come to the conclusion that yes, the person that I had in my mind all along, from childhood to teenage and everywhere, I met so many females, and now I have met this female before 2 years back or 3 years back, and this person whom I misunderstood so much, and I would not accept her good points and her good feelings and her goodness. She has all those qualities and she's not faking it. Ultimately, he is going to come to the realization, to the awakening, to the awareness that you are that person, that yes, you do exist. And you, obviously, the divine feminine, why I said I'm going to cut you here, and I'm going to talk about the divine masculine now. The divine feminine feels that she already has the realization and the awareness that such a person that she wanted, a beautiful partner that she wanted, exists in the form of a divine masculine. But you think that you externally believe all this, but internally, even you are reflecting his same pattern. You are up and down, up and down, up and down all the time. One day you think about his good qualities, the other day you think about what bad things that he did. One day you think about his good qualities, then again you think about the karmic partners that he had. One day you think about the good things, then again you think about the dinners and the stuff that he did with karmic partners, which he never did with you. One day you think how good he made you feel, and the next day you think how bad he made you feel. So you are reflecting the same thing in this way. Both of you need to accept each other first in your mind. That yes, what I was thinking all my life does exist in this person. And everybody is a little bit flawed. So is he, so are you. So friends, this was the channeling. I hope you will make good use of it and understand this concept. And once you start accepting at your end, because your end is in your control, his end, he is doing his job. You need to focus on yourself. You start accepting this at your end every day. Every day you can write something positive about him in a diary. And like always, I always tell you, take your own personal services. They will benefit you 200-300% more than general services, because they will be your own predictions. And once you start on the first step of the journey, which is the twin flame reading, you can move on to the inner work list and then the inner work and healing sessions, which will remove your obstacles, templates and patterns. With that, friends, do look at the description box for any and every kind of information. Everything is there. God bless you. Thank you so much.